Are you ready to create a beautiful wave even if you have never touched a paintbrush before?
Welcome back to my channel. This is Deepika, and I'm here to help you slow down, release stress, and reconnect with yourself using watercolor techniques.
In this video, you will learn how to paint a simple ocean wave in just 10 minutes using beginner friendly watercolor techniques that will melt away your stress and spark your creativity. Stay tuned to discover how this easy art can bring calm into your busy day. Let's get started.
For today's practice, you only need simple supplies: watercolors, cartridge paper or sketchbook, a round brush, clean water, tissue or cloth. That's all. I've already drawn the basic shape of the wave. To simplify waves, think of them as a cylinder rolling forward. Let's begin with a light blue wash. Take plenty of water and gently cover the main body of the wave. Don't worry about making it perfect. Watercolors are beautiful because they flow naturally, just like emotions. As you move your brush, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow your shoulders to relax. Now let's add soft strokes for the water reflections. Use light horizontal brush marks. Notice how calm water mirrors the sky. The ocean reminds us that even after turbulence, stillness always returns. Keep your hand loose and relaxed. There's no rush. Use light horizontal brush marks. Now we begin identifying the darker sections of the wave. Observe where the wave curves inward. Usually, the deepest shadows appear beneath the curling edge and towards the end. Add darker blue slowly. Remember that contrast creates depth. As we paint these shadows, think about this. Life also has light and shadow. Both are necessary to create beauty. Add darker blue slowly. Let's continue building the cylindrical form of the wave. Follow the directions of the water movement. Every brush stroke should curve gently, wrapping around the curve. This creates the illusion of rolling motion. Imagine the ocean breathing. The wave rises, pauses, and releases. Perhaps this is also an invitation for us to release what we are holding on to. Now comes my favorite part, the sea foam. Using the tip of the brush, create soft, broken textures. Leave some white paper untouched. These little imperfections make the wave come alive. Just like in life, our imperfections often hold the most beauty. Allow the foam to remain soft and natural. As you're painting with me, I would love to know something. What is the biggest source of stress in your life right now? Is it work, relationships, overthinking, or simply feeling exhausted? Share it in the comments below. You may realize that many people here are walking a similar journey. Let's finish by adding a few gentle touches to the sky and reflections. Keep the sky soft and minimal. The focus remains on the wave. And add a few darker reflections beneath the water to balance the composition. Step back and simply observe your painting. Notice how different you feel compared to 10 minutes ago. Painting waves is more than learning watercolor techniques. The repetitive movement of brush and water naturally slows our breathing. It helps quiet mental noise. It gives our emotions a safe place to flow. The ocean teaches us an important lesson. No wave remains turbulent forever. Calm always returns. If this practice brought you even a little peace today, please subscribe and become a part of our creative wellness family. Here, we use watercolor as a pathway to calm creativity and emotional healing. Leave your painting in the comments or tag me if you recreate it. And continue your watercolor journey, one peaceful brush stroke at a time. Until next time, keep creating, keep breathing, and keep choosing peace.